$8.52. You know about Las Vegas? I do. I was there, when was I there? Beginning of February.
I know it's on. I know. Welcome back. Another bar in our quest for 100 bars on Disney property.
I feel like they know what we're doing because these bars that used to be walk-ups suddenly have stools at them.
So the name of this small bar at Animal Kingdom is
Thirsty River?
Thirsty River. And it's between Africa and Asia.
It's halfway between the Yak Yeti and Everest.
And it's
so Yak
sort of
Yeti's
a
behind us,
kiosk walk-up, which we've been to before, but
now there's stools here.
But we said that we were going to only count bars where you could sit down and enjoy your drinks. And we came by and there's two stools
on this side, two stools on that side.
And as we got in line to get a drink, the people in these two stools got up and we took them. So I am having an Old Elephant Foot IPA. I had these recently for the first time at Jock, Lindsey's at Disney Springs.
Yeah.
And they were good. And you're having a vodka and
Snow Leopard vodka with soda and strawberry lemonade. You can't really, there you go, that's better. The sun is really bright right now. It's really delicious.
So no food.
My friend Cassie here pours a nice drink.
What's the name of the vodka?
Snow Leopard.
Snow Leopard.
The people that make Macallan.
Oh, so the same distillery?
It's actually distilled in Poland. Made in Poland.
Good to know.
It's a small vodka.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
It's very delicious.
Right now.
Soda water and a splash of lemonade.
And a lime. No lemon?
Lemon with the lemonade. It makes sense.
So this is a good little surprise. We didn't plan on stopping here. We were heading somewhere else and we noticed there were some stools here and thought, hey, if it has stools, it counts.
It counts. I know.
So here we are.
All these places that didn't have stools before, now they do.
And it's very crowded today, so having scored these two stools was good timing.
We got lucky.
Shall we say it was fortuitous?
Fortuitous. That means lucky.
What movie is that a reference to? Somebody will know.
Put it in the comments.
Put it in the comments. All right, we're going to enjoy our drinks, and we get to chalk one more off on the 100 bars.
100 bars at Disney.
All right. Woo, woo. And that was the Thirsty River Bar at Animal Kingdom. If you make it here, look up Cassie, the bartender.
She's awesome.
She's awesome.
She's awesome.
So until the next Disney bar, I'm Kevin.
I'm Karen.
Cheers.
Cheers.